We have facilities, 8 different office locations, over 3 states, and a lot of the equipment we manage are movables. We have a large fleet of vehicles, a large fleet of boats, utility vehicles, and a large amount of specialized survey equipment in each of those that we track and maintain. Well, when I first started with T. Baker Smith, we had our own version of CMMS software that our in-house software developers had come up with. And it was very good software, but as we were advancing in I guess, our CMMS journey, we realized it had a lot of limitations that we just couldn't overcome. So I was tasked with finding a solution. Then I came across eMaint. And one of the main ways we're using eMaint right now is work order requests. That's one of the biggest things we do, and it's makes the biggest difference. But we've also started being able to data mine it a little bit, and we've been able to provide ownership with cost of use, cost of ownership, as well as utilization. I work closely with the accounting department. We can provide numbers so they can come up with equipment utilization, and it allows ownership to determine how they want to spend money in CapEx. Using eMaint in our capital expenditures planning for the year to year has been really a game changing. We can run reports on our older equipment, see what's coming up that we might need to replace, run reports on problematic equipment. We can determine if we're truly making money off of a piece of equipment, if it's profitable, or if the maintenance costs are just too much. We've been able to really to delve into that and use that to plan ahead when it comes to vehicle purchases, boat purchases. We run a lot of equipment counts. Whenever somebody's requesting new equipment, we can definitely see what we already own. We're very proud of the amount of downtime we've eliminated. Very proud of being able to provide metrics to different parts of our organization. Everybody uses eMaint in our organization for a different reason. Our field crew coordinators are using eMaint to check on the equipment status. Can they send a crew out tomorrow? Is that boat repaired? What's available to them? Our project managers are using eMaint. If we have a client that needs a certain specific information for our equipment before it goes on their project, they don't have to make 5 phone calls. They can go on eMaint and look and get all the information out of eMaint. They need that. Accounting, if they need to update their numbers, the reporting is very robust. Every day I get an email with all the open work orders and who they're assigned to. I can easily go through and decide what needs to be closed out, if there's some stale work orders in there that need to be closed out, or if something needs to be elevated in somebody's to a higher level so we can get it completed. So we do run quite a bit of reports with eMaint.